Don't bite me, please.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh. Oh,
$130.54. What is going on, crows? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're building what we used to do years and years ago. A little DIY mini pond.
They look like this. Come to Lowe's and they got them. Right, Brenton?
This week is a very busy week. As you know, this weekend, the building goes up.
Oh yeah.
So I'm just doing fun projects until that's ready. And then we're gonna have a bombarded amount of content to film for this channel. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. What do you think, Brenton?
Yeah, I'm feeling this. This could house quite a bit of fish.
This could indeed house.
It could also
quite a
house
bit.
me.
This is 3 different ponds, Brenton.
125 gallons.
125 gallon pond. Where would that be? Where would that be? $122.
Not that bad.
Honestly, not bad at all.
No,
Not at all.
not at all. This will max out your credit card though.
My credit card is maxed. Did we buy plants or?
Let's buy a palm tree like this. Oh my gosh, it's only $100.
There is some very cool looking plants here though, I won't lie. We're just gonna stick to the pond. We have rocks at home, we have the filter at home, we have everything we need at home already. It's a good sized pond too.
Nope. Spin around. Spin around. There it is.
$130.54. Hey, we got a pond though. That's all that matters, right, Brenton?
What?
We got a pond.
It's all that matters.
Yeah.
I can control Brenton, look.
It's been 2 days since we purchased this pond. Have yet to do it.
Yeah, we procrastinated just a little bit.
We need to get to work. It's time to build a mini pond. It's for some mollies and platies. I've wanted to breed these things again for a super long time. Today's the day. We got some helping hands. These muscles are getting nice and large. Unlike mine, they're getting there. Time to build a pond.
What was that?
And that, my friend, is exactly how you design a pond. Been doing it for years.
It's okay.
Really hurt.
It's okay. Wow, that couldn't be any better.
Look at that.
Would you just look at that?
Take a look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Would you look at it?
Would you look at
Would
that? We used to do this on the daily.
Yeah.
I don't know how I did it.
We're just to the outline at the moment.
I know. Major props to all those hardworking men out there. Landscape, construction. Shout out to you because I know some of y'all watching. All this has got to get flattened out anyway. Building's coming tomorrow. I'm not sure when this video will go live. This will definitely go live before the building's up. If you're an OG and you've been watching since the days of my parents' backyard, because I know a lot of you are out there watching right now, I appreciate you. I respect you. On a serious note, we've been digging for like, what, 30 minutes now?
Not even.
Not even 30 minutes. I mean, I can't believe we used to dig holes literally 10 times this size in one day. The best stuff to dig in. Look at this. It's like play sand. So easy.
This final wheelbarrow will be used to backfill all the space once this is inside the ground. Brenton is currently tampering inside the pond. Get it all patted down.
Yeah.
What up, Mia? Hey, Mia. Hey, and Colbert. What's going on, buddy? And look at Finn. Taylor.
What's up?
What's up? Hey, Finn. All the pigs are hanging out with us. What's up, Bubba?
Haven't done this in a long time. Having a blast right now. I'm excited to see how this comes out. It's a very simple pond build. Obviously, we're doing a budget build. I mean, we're staying under like $250 range. Oh yeah, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now we backfill it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that like 10 more times.
Yep. Not entirely sure what Paul was thinking because this is a tiny pond. Those are boulders. So I don't really know how that's gonna correlate. I was thinking more like pea pebbles, but that's okay.
Well, I'm not sure what I was thinking. Because this is a tiny pond. And these are boulders.
I just said that like just a second ago. I literally just told them that. The same thing you just said.
No, you are so right. I did say budget pond build, meaning we don't need rocks. That looks kind of good.
Yeah, it looks like a cliff on the side of the pond.
We need a smaller one, Brenton.
Oh, that looks cool, the way that's sitting.
Yep,
Okay,
we need a smaller one.
okay. It looks cool.
It looks okay. We have a artificial driftwood. I don't know if it floats or not. I have no idea.
It should not float.
No?
Shouldn't.
Hopefully not. It's meant to go in pond, so we'll see how it looks. I just kind of wanted a different look. This is really just to breed mollies and platies. I am stoked with it.
The back rocks though look quite nice.
To have some gravel on the outside of the pond might look better, but we're honestly gonna stay away from that right now. Let's start filling this thing up. Fill her up.
Come on. I think that's all she's got.
That's perfect.
That is plenty.
That is honestly, literally perfect.
I want to breed some mollies and platies, like I said, and a couple cool other fish, small fish. Everything's gonna be small that we put in there. But I'm 100% sure I am going to be building something a heck of a lot more epic for mollies and platies. Started with mollies and platies. It's really what boosted my channel and got me to the next level. So I've always had some sort of love and connection. Why I'm right here on the slab is because I'm probably gonna build something a heck of a lot cooler than that little pond over there. So I'm gonna say it's just a temporary pond because of this exact reason. We're building something crazier once the building's up. But it's gonna be a couple weeks, of course, till that's done. So make sure to subscribe. That's all I gotta say. I took the plants out of the snapping turtle pond and put them over in the duck pond. Oh my goodness. Came up and said hello to us real quick, huh? Big boy. Don't bite me, please.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yo, he's fired up right now.
Look at how big he's getting, dude. That is incredible. All right, there you go. That looks awesome, dude. It really does look good, other than our orange extension cord running to our outlet over here. Oh, hi, V. It is a full functioning pond. You know, we do need one more thing. One more.
We need plants. Let's go, baby.
Plants! Plants!
Yeah! This thing is sick.
Oh my gosh, this water lettuce.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, ow, ow. Oh yeah. Those are called sand spurs. We have a lot of them in Florida, and I just stepped on. Brenton, what is he doing?
Yep, that's a fish. That's a fish. And today, it's my fish. That's my fish. He got away before he even left the ground.
You can get water lettuce now that you're in there. He looks like a straight up crocodile. Keep in mind, we are in Florida. There is alligators in this canal. Here you go. Here, Brenton.
Oh, you can't get away from me.
Whoa! This guy's a lunatic. If you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to Fanatics channel.
That was a first, Paul. Oh.
All these fish in this canal look at me as a family member, almost like their father. Look at them. They want me to come back.
All right, we got what we came for, that's for sure. Look at that water lettuce right there. And then there's a bunch of duckweed all in there as well. We're gonna have to rinse this stuff off just to make it clean. But I tell you what, we got our mission of getting plants, that's for sure. Oh yeah, look at all that brown water coming out. Are you situating all your water lettuce?
Yes, I am. Making sure it's all nice and good.
Making sure all the water lettuce is straight up. This stuff multiplies. The duckweed and the water lettuce, they mate with each other. The plants mate with each other. Oh, I forgot you were in the canal. I forgot he was in the canal. He was swimming in the canal. Recap. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. We made a mini pond on a budget. We probably didn't spend, I mean, I had everything other than the pond, so 150 bucks max. If you wanted to buy a filter, you're under like 250 bucks in total. He got water lettuce for our pond, and he's stoked about it.
I'd eat it for 20 bucks.
I'll give you 20 bucks. I will Apple Pay you 20 bucks right now to take a bite out of that water lettuce.
It's just lettuce,
right? I'm Apple Paying you as we speak. 20.
Cool.
Oh,
thanks.
That's up, man.
I can't send it like you can't get
All right,
it back.
anyway, thank you so much for watching.
The water lettuce. I don't know if that's safe.
It's probably not. We don't do that. Enjoy your $20. Thanks for your help. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below, smash the like button, and see you in the next one. Peace. With the building. The building's going up in the next video. Holy moly, I'm gonna end it. See ya.